Do you ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of AI models? Deepseek, Qwen, OpenAI, and Anthropic? The list just keeps growing. Everyone's telling you their model is the best, but who's right? And more importantly, which one is right for you? Forget the hype, forget the buzzwords. Today, we're going to show you how to cut through the noise and put these titans of AI head to head, running them simultaneously to see who truly reigns supreme. In this video, we'll introduce you to the AISuite Python library, a powerful tool that simplifies the process of running multiple AI models simultaneously for comparison. We think you'll find that the AISuite package provides a user-friendly interface to streamline your model comparison and analysis. If you're looking for a way to compare local models with AISuite, such as Deepseek and Qwen, see our previous video on this. Link in the description below. Here are some main features of AISuite. It can run most AI models. It gives you a consistent user interface similar to other commonly used libraries, and it makes comparison easy, so you can spend more time on choosing the best model. We'll be covering installation and setup, core concepts, and practical examples today. Okay, let's get started. We need to set up our Python environment with the necessary libraries. First, we run the kinda create command, using AISuite Online as the name to give our environment. Then we start it by running the activate command. Next, we install the 3.11 version of Python and a few other libraries. We use pip here to install the AISuite packages along with the OpenAI SDK. We need to use pip when the package version needed is new and not in the Conda repo yet. We set up the online provider API keys using these commands. Replace the key string with your API keys. Our script will work with any online provider, just modify these variables as needed. Once the setup is complete, you can run the Python script. Here is the Python code for our demo. First, we have a few import statements. We are importing the AISuite package. This package makes it easy to compare many different LLM models. You can import this one package to get access to all of them. Now we create and initialize an AISuite client object. This wrapper provides a simple and consistent interface we can use for running our models. Here, we have a function named runModel that we can call multiple times. Inside, we loop through a list of models, then we run the prompt on each model, using the client chat function from AISuite as shown here. For simplicity, we only include 3 parameters in our demo: a model name, a prompt, and optionally a temperature. The temperature determines how consistent or creative the output will be. Lower will be less creative and more predictable. Here, we are printing out the response from the model. We will be testing 3 popular models today, OpenAI and Anthropic, along with a Mistral model from Hugging Face. By using a free Hugging Face API account, we can use any smaller model that is available on the Hugging Face website. To test a larger model, you'll have to use a paid account. Even so, the charges per request are minimal. Here's our prompt. This is a typical format that most LLM models use. We give it a question or prompt and tell the model how we want it to respond. Here we are running the function we just created above, with the 2 required parameters. Then to run this again, just create a new message and use the runModel command as often as you want. This time we ask for a Python code example. Most LLMs do pretty well with example code when it is simple. More complex code usually requires some debugging or modification. Okay, now we're ready to run the application. To run, type in Python and the name of the script, then press enter. The output shows the model name and the answer each one gave us. We can see all 3 models ran successfully. Okay, now we are ready to compare the results. The first output from our math question is from OpenAI, then Anthropic Sonnet, and finally Mistral. The rating for these models will depend on your needs and what you expect from the model. For example, in this case, all 3 gave the correct answer of 1 and 3, and all 3 gave step-by-step details in their answer. Mistral was a little more concise. Also, 2 of the models used the quadratic method, and OpenAI used the factor method. For the second question, all 3 used the same solution to reverse the list, and all 3 gave step-by-step details in their answer. However, Mistral and OpenAI were a little more concise. If you were a beginner developer, You might want the verbose answer. It explains the code in more detail. Our rating for this would all be too similar to call. All three did fine. Okay, hopefully you are now able to run any online models, including those available from Hugging Face, and compare them for yourself to see which one you like best. Once you have decided which model that you like best, you can watch our other videos on the model that you chose to get more ideas on how to use it in your daily life. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. As always, questions and comments are welcome. See you next time.